right, so now we're going to do discounts. So normally this discount is calculated as a percentage of the selling price or the marked price. Most of the time we say the cost price, right? And so we have cost price. So this is the price, should be, this is the price before the discount. Oops. Right, selling price is the price after the discount. And well, we know the discount, right? This is to be subtracted, but first you have to calculate it based on the cost price, so the CP, but it is to be also subtracted from the cost price, right? And that will give you the selling price. So again, normally discounts are calculated as a percentage of the selling price or the market price. So the discount amount is the discount percentage multiplied by the selling price. So normally I say selling price by the discount, right? So the discounted price or the selling price will be actually the subsidy cost price minus the discount. So I have this wrong here. Cost price, right? And the discounted price, cost price again. So the amount before the discount will be the selling price or the discounted price divided by this. In fact, you don't really need this part, right? As long as you know these three main formulas, you should be fine. So the three main formulas we're going to use, right? The discount or the money, right, is equal to the cost price multiplied by the discount percentage. As in discount amount. And this is in money. The discounted price or the selling price will be the cost price minus the discount. Okay? The selling price could also be the cost price multiplied by, and because it's a discount and it's less, it's 100% take away the discount percentage, right? And this is not spelled correctly. Let me fix that. So yeah, let me. All right, so let me draw a couple examples. So number one, a television set has a selling price of 1950. Again, the subsidy cost price, right? 1950. So your cost price is 1950. The discount is 10%, right? So they want us to find the discount amount, right? So the discount amount will be the cost price multiplied by the discount percentage. So 1950 multiplied by 10%. 10% is 10 over 100. And this would be $195. You could use a calculator and work it out, or you could say cost on zero here, cost on zero here, and dividing by 10, you'll know the decimal place, what place, right? Quick maths. Part B, what is the cash price to the customer? So the selling price now will be a cost price minus your discount. So your cost price is 1950 minus $195. I'm feeling a little bit lazy today, so we use a calculator for that. 1950 minus 195, so we get $175.55. Sorry, $1,755. So that's so wrong. So example 2, Taylor charges $560 for a suit of clothes and gives a discount of 12% for cash payments. Calculated, calculate the discounted price for the suit if paid by cash. All right. So the cost price, $560. I'm Newton, whoever that is, right? So the cost price $560. The discount is 12%. So the selling price after the discount will be the cost price multiplied by 100% minus the discount. So 560 multiplied by 100 minus 12, I should have put it in one time, will give us 88%, or 88 over 100. So calculator working now, 560 multiplied by 88 divided by 100. $492.8. But remember, money is two decimal places, so you have to put the zero here because it has a place value in money. Right? So that's how much we pay for the suit. Part 3, an MP3 player was sold for $2,071 after a discount of 5% was given. So calculate the mark or the selling prices against subsidy cost price. So when they say marked price, it means that the price the item was shown for before the before the discount, right? So the MP3 player was sold, so the selling price was $2,071. The discount was 5%. Now we know the selling price will be the cost price of the item before the discount multiplied by 100% minus the 5%. Right? So this would be $2,771 by the cost price, and this would have been 95%. So you want to divide by 95% on both sides. So this would cancel to give us the cost price, and this means $2,017 divided by, and remember the 95% is really 95 divided by 100. Close the bracket to equal. So $2,123, and later round up here 16 cents. So the cost price before the discount was $2,103. 16, $123.16. So example 4. An artist charges $980 for a portrait, but gives 5% discount on all cash he purchases. Calculate the cash price of a portrait, right? So the cost price for the portrait is normally $980. The discount is 5%. So your selling price, your cost price, multiplied by 100% minus your discount. So in this case, is 5%. $980 multiplied by 95%. So 980 multiplied by 95. Oops, I forget to put my brackets. 100. So the person will pay $931 for the item, for the portrait. Number 5, Mr. Khan bought a blender for a discounted price, $2,560. What is the marked price or the cost price before the discount, right? So the selling price you paid for it, $2,560. The discount percentage was 20%. And we know the formula is the selling price is equal to the cost price multiplied by 100%, take away the discount percentage. So 2,560 is equal to the cost price by 100, take away 20%. Again, the percentage sign there. So we're going to divide by this. 100 take away 20% is 80%. So we're going to divide by 80% on both sides. So this bracket will subtract this, will reduce that 80%. So on the calculator, we use 2,560 divide by, remember 80% is a fraction, so I put in a bracket. 80 divided by 100 equal. So the price before the discount was $3,200. So profit and loss. Now, what is a profit? What is a loss? Anytime you sell something for more money than you pay for it is a profit. Anytime you sell something for less money than you pay for it is a loss. Right? So to find out if you make a profit or not, right? You take the cost price. Sorry, so it's the selling price and minus the cost price. So the selling price minus the cost price. And this will be practical because anytime you make a profit, you sell it for more money. Right? Now, the profit percentage, you could always say the profit that we made over the cost price by 100% of our. Right? So profit, the percentage is the profit amount over the cost price, as well as over the cost price multiplied by 100 over 1. Now, profit amount, if you rearrange this formula, right, you could see is the cost price multiplied by the profit percentage. So this will be profit in terms of money. So put that dollar sign in terms of money. And the selling price, if you rearrange this formula here, the first one, the selling price will be the profit add the cost price. Right? Now similarly, it's for loss. So the loss amount will be the cost price minus the selling price. The loss percentage is the amount lost over the cost price. That again is always over the cost price, not 100 over 1. Now, the loss amount can also be found. So we say the money, loss amount in terms of money can also be found by multiplying the loss percentage by the cost price. And the selling price, again, rearranging the first equation for loss, would be the cost price minus the loss. I should have put this like that as well too. Because the cost price, oops, the cost price usually comes with some error. And so there's basically the formulas that you're going to use to find profit and loss. So yeah, we're going to do some questions then now for this profit and loss. So question 1. Question 1. Jane bought a sharpener, $28, and sold it for $21. Calculate a profit or loss. All right, so the cost price is $28. The selling price was $21. So she sold it for less than she paid for it. So therefore it is a loss. Right? So the loss amount is the cost price minus the selling price because the cost price will be bigger, which is $7. Part B, the profit or loss percentage. So the loss percentage is the loss amount over the cost price multiplied by the 100 over 1, right? So we have 7 over 28 multiplied by 100 over 1. And it's a simple maths, no calculator needed. 7 into 7, 1, 7 into 28 is 4, 0.41, 100 is 25. So it's 25%. So the loss was 25%. Now I know all the answers there on the screen, but I'll show you how you get it, right? Number 2, Albert bought a jump drive, flash drive, for $275 and sold it for $350. So the cost price was $275. The selling price was $350. So you made a profit, right? So the profit or the profit amount is the selling price minus the cost price. Because in a profit, the selling price is larger than the cost price. So 350 minus 275, yes, $75. Part B, the profit percentage is the amount you made on the profit over the cost price by 100 over 1. So 75 over, 275. Cost price is 275 over 100 over 1. Now this one you had to use a calculator for is not a straightforward working. So 75 divided by 275 equal multiply by 100. So the profit percentage was 27.27%. Let's round it off to one decimal place, 27.2%. So number 4, a shopkeeper bought 25 sweets. So 25 sweets. And the total cost or the cost price was $150. He sold them for $8 each, right? So the selling price would be $8 multiplied by 25 sweets, which is $200. Right? So calculate his profit or loss. So he sold it for more, so it's a profit. And it will be the selling price minus the cost price, which is 200 minus 150, which is $50, right? So we know that's the profit amount. And any profit percentage will be the profit, which is 50 over the cost price, 150 by 100 over 1. Now this is again simple maths, 15 to 51, 15 to 53, 150 is 3, and 1/3 is as a decimal 0.33, 0.33 multiplied by 100. This is recurring, right? So 33, and let's call it a 3%. So this is one that you should know, learn. A third as a percentage is 33 and a 3%. So number 5, a businessman bought a new stove, $1,209. He sold it and make a profit of 11%. So the cost price is $1,209. The profit percentage is 11%. And they ask what the profit made. So the profit was the percentage, or the profit percentage, by the cost price. Cost price. So 11, oops, that's a 10. 11 over 100 multiplied by 1209. So again, use a calculator when you see numbers that you can work at the top of your head. So 11 divided by 100 multiplied by 1209. So the amount of profit he made was $132.99. And part B, they want to know what's the selling price. So the selling price would be the cost price plus the profit. So 1209 plus 132.99. 1209 plus 132.99. So you sold it for $1,341.99.